Welcome to this presentation on our industrial analytics software. This is a software specially designed by process engineers to solve everyday process problems quickly. If you are still using Excel for analyzing and troubleshooting your process problems, then you will be pleasantly surprised to see our analytics software. It can help you analyze process data so fast that you will be amazed. It will take you minutes to sift through years of data and be able to achieve within minutes what would take Excel days. Here are some of the amazing things our software can do. It can help you detect boiler tube leakage of less than 1% of boiler feed water flow rate. It can help you optimize cooling tower operation by advising optimum pump and fan operating strategy to save energy. It can help you extend catalyst life by suggesting optimum operating parameters. You can find the OEE, which is the overall equipment effectiveness. It can detect the slow decline in the performance of a heat exchanger due to fouling, which is almost impossible to detect. It can help you achieve ISO 50001 compliance for energy management, and last but not the least, help you optimize your overall process for energy efficiency. Our analytics software can do process fingerprinting, which helps you uncover the secrets of your best process run and explain why the process has been more efficient at times as compared to others. It uses machine learning to learn lessons from the past data. It uses pattern recognition to identify correlation between various process parameters, which seemingly are not connected. It uses predictive analytics to give early warning of process problems. It is an invaluable tool for doing root cause analysis. One of the best features of this software is similarity search, which can look for similar process problems in years of past data and help you get answers of why a problem happened. Our industrial analytics software is extensively used in many industries, and they have saved millions of dollars. The industries which use this software include water treatment plants, ethylene crackers, oil refineries, ammonia plants, thermal power generation sites, and fertilizer complexes. Our customers have improved their process efficiency and reliability, reduced natural resource consumption, improved environmental performance, and much more. Here is a partial list of our customers who have successfully been using our analytics software for the last several years. So what is next? You can contact us for a demo session to see firsthand the amazing capabilities of our software and to know why most industries in US and Europe are using it. Thanks for your time.